Good morning, class 9th. Today we are studying computers and chapter name is Master in Typing, and this is part 1. Typing. Typing. What's come to your mind when you heard the word typing? Typing is a process of writing or typing the text in the computer, typewriter, or cell phone, or even in your calculator. Actually, it was designed to distinguish between the handwriting typing and the speech recognition. Nowadays, you must have seen that in Google there is a symbol of mic. So, by just with your voice, you can search about any information. So, this was a new feature added by Google. Earlier we used to type the things. For example, whatever you want to search, you search in the Google and just print enter. Typing was first developed by Leanne Scholz from Wisconsin. She was a daughter of Christopher Scholz, who invented the first practical typewriter. So the development of the typing in computer is completely based on the typewriter. You must have seen that keyboard, the quality keyboard which we use today are much similar, or you can say they are just same as our typewriters. The only difference between them is the typewriter were used to give us the output in pages, and whereas in computer you can find the output in our monitors. Remaining the typing, on the basis of typing, the typewriter as well as our computer are same. Typing. Do you think there can be any software which may help you? Yes, there are many softwares which can help you to improve your typing skills, but there is no particular fixed formula so that you can just increase your speed. It's completely based on your practice. The more you practice, the more you achieve your typing speed. The speed may can increase or decrease based on your practice. It's also based on the language which you type. For example, many people type Hindi in comparatively low speed as compared to English. This is because of your practice.